Well, good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. It's Chris, your YouTube daddy here. I'm in the arcade. I've just got here. It's Sunday morning and it is 9:45. So I'm just coming to turn everything on. And let's see what today brings. Wasn't a bad day yesterday. A bit rainy, to be fair, but wasn't bad. But it's a bit windy this morning. I've just drove down and I'll show you. So I just turned the camera around. And it is a little bit windy out on that front. I say it is still quite early. It's only 9:45 in the morning, so there won't be a lot happening at the moment. This will be a bits and pieces video like normal. You can probably see up there that the sea is looking quite rough this morning, and there's not a lot of people about yet. You can probably hear the wind as well. You can definitely hear it now. So people have just started arriving. Obviously you've had the people who've been here who will be here the weekend, but you'll also have the day trippers as well. So this will be a bits and pieces video. Obviously I've not done a video for a couple of days because I've been busy in the arcade. As I said, the frequency of the videos will be less now because obviously it's as and when I get time. So I thought I'd just start it off and show you what it's like at the moment. And I'll see you in 1 second. So as normal, while I'm waiting for everything to heat up and stuff like that, I'm going to go through my my comments. So the first one is from John Owen 5686. Brilliant video, Chris. The current Mrs. O also likes the Art Deco 1950s homes and buildings. Thank you very much, John. That was on a video that I was driving around. I saw some Art Deco buildings. I do like the Art Deco type buildings. Okay, wow, best food review in the country visited. The best food reviewer in the country visited you. Yes, I believe Gary Eats. Gary Eats popped in and did a food review on me. He compared me against the other £1 burger bar, and apparently I won. He came round. I didn't even know who he was, so I no idea. He does very good filming. He does like stealth filming, so you don't know you've been filmed. There must be somebody around the corner, just around the edge, filming him while he comes up to you. Okay, that's from Cliff. The weather forecast is spookily accurate. It is. I don't know if there's any food reviews left to come here. I think we've had them all. Rate My Takeaway, the Macmaster, Gary Eats, Walk With Me, Tim, Hashtag Brady. We've had loads of them here. Have a good day. Thank you, Nigel. I'm doing this without my glasses as well. Are you impressed? So I finished about 6 o'clock yesterday. A little after 6 o'clock I closed the shutters yesterday, which is quite early, but the rain held off all day, but then it started at about 6 o'clock, and obviously once the rain starts, it shuts me down. So I was pretty busy up until about 6:15 as soon as the rain started. Then as soon as the rain started, I pulled the shutters down. Now, it doesn't seem to be any, I don't think it's forecast for rain today, but it is very windy, which does me a favour, to be fair, because when it's windy on the front, people come to the back streets. Okay then, I'll see you in a bit, guys, and I'll carry on with these comments and remarks. See you later, guys. Well, that's the end of the shift today. That was a busy one. That was a really busy one. It was that busy, yeah, I ran out of burgers. It was good. It was just in time, to be fair. The queue had just stopped, so it was about 5:45. I ran out of burgers. I wasn't expecting to do that much on a Sunday. But hey-ho, it's all good stuff in it. And to be fair, the queue was really dying down by that point. So I got to the end of the queue, and it couldn't have been timed any better. So it's the warehouse in the morning. First thing in the morning is up to the warehouse. This video will probably be based over a few days. So today is Sunday, and tomorrow will be Bank Holiday Monday, obviously, and I will base this video over 2 days, because obviously it's just bits and pieces at the moment with what's going on. So I shall see you tomorrow, or today, or whenever I decide to put this video up. See you in a bit, guys. Hello, it's Monday morning now. It's Bank Holiday Monday. I told you this video would be over a few days. And I've just come back from the warehouse because, as I said to the previous day, I'd run out of burgers yesterday, so I've got plenty of burgers now. I'll tell you what, it's windy out there today. Oh my God, it is so windy out there today. Literally, I parked my car up on Vauxhall area, and I tell you, I've been blown across the road. It was so bad, the wind was. Luckily enough, it's not raining, but my God, it's windy out there. So let's see what today brings. Not been a bad weekend, to be fair, even though the weather's been a little bit dodgy. Rain on Saturday, wind on Sunday, and looks like we've got a windy day today as well. But let's see what today brings. Okay, then we'll probably finish this video off later with a drive about. As I said, this is more like a video diary of what's going on, and to be fair, not a lot, just cooking burgers and stuff like that. Okay then, I'll see you later on. Bye for now. Well, it's 5 o'clock on Bank Holiday Monday, and I'm afraid rain has stopped play today. It is absolutely terrible, the rain is absolutely terrible. I was really busy from 11:30 till 3:30, and literally it started raining and it shut me down completely. It is absolutely horrible. So let's go and have a look along the front and see how bad it is along the front. I know there's a lot of businesses who've just literally closed up and gone home, because nobody can be walking about in this type of weather. The arcades will do a bit, to be fair. The big ones like Coral Island and Funland and Pete's and places like that. But it's no good for me. Nobody wants to queue up for a burger in this type of weather. So we're going to take a drive down the prom and see what's going on. See what's still open. See if there's any brave sorts who are brave in the weather. It's not cold, it's still about 12 degrees. And apparently it's forecast like this all week. Isn't that typical, eh? 2-3 weeks leading up to the bank holiday weekend, the weather's absolutely fantastic. Hit a bank holiday weekend, and that's it. Right, let's see if I can cross here. Oh, there we go. Well, there's still stuff open at the front. They're braver than me. Well, the wind's calmed down a bit now because the wind was really nasty this morning. But unfortunately, it got replaced by the rain. Yeah, there's not a lot of people. I considering it's 5:15 on a bank holiday Monday. You can see all the cars going out. So these are all the people who are now leaving Blackpool. You can't blame them, can you? Blackpool's fantastic in the sunshine, but it can be a tad unsettling when it's raining. Let me know what the weather's like in your area. Is it as bad as this? So a bank holiday weekend and rain has stopped play. So the kids are on holiday all week as well. Shenanigans is basically empty. I was doing actually very, very well. Regarding the queue literally started the moment I opened the shutter. It was waiting for me, and it said till around 3, 3:15, something like that, and then it just stopped. Well, I think I'll go down to Pete's now and grab a brew. Oh, I can see some Ninas, Nina. Yeah, there'll be a mass exodus today at Blackpool. But to be fair, we do rely on day trippers this time of the year. You get a few people staying over your Monday to Friday, Friday to Monday brigade, but not as much as it used to be. So it is predominantly day trippers. Now, unfortunately, you know, odds on, if you're looking at the weather forecast and you're thinking, oh, I'm going to Blackpool for the day, and you say it's going to chuck it down all day, you think, actually, I'll probably stay at home. Actually, we'll go down to Springfield Road. There'll be nothing going on down Queen Street. No, the place is dead. So we're just coming to Springfield Road now. This is a quarter of Abington Street and Springfield Road. And then we'll go on to the prom. Springfield Market, even that's closed. Oh my god, that never closes. You can see we've got an awful lot of surface water on the road as well. Diamonds, what's that? Show bar and restaurant. Oh, that's what it is. I did read something on the internet. They were opening something there. You can see everybody ducking into doorways. So I'm going to finish this video off and I'm going to pop into Pete's and grab a brew. Now, sorry this video has been over 2 days, but I say I was a little bit busy over the past couple of days and it's just like finished now. So it started off alright, but unfortunately the rain stopped play here on the Blackpool bank holiday weekend, which is probably par for the course. Okay then, I'll speak to you later guys. Don't forget, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I'll see you later guys. And bye for now.